ang nabagabag sa TV host, singer at dancer na si Billy Crawford matapos mag-viral ang larawan nito habang umiinom sa kanyang tumbler. Kapansin-pansin kasi na mas namayat ito sa kanyang pisikal na pangangatawan noon, kaya marami ang nagbigay ng opinyon at nagtaka kung ano na ang lagay ng kalusugan ng aktor. Makikita rin na halos puro negatibo ang naging komento ng mga netizens. Kaya naman, hindi rin napigilan ng asawa nitong si Colleen Garcia ang maglabas ng saloobin patungkol dito. Agad nga nitong tinawag ng pansin ang mga maiintrigang netizens sa pamamagitan ng kanyang Instagram stories. There's this viral photo of Billy going around, kaya I felt the need to address it without directly addressing it. Saad ni Colleen patungkol sa kumakalat na larawan ng asawa sa social media. Pagpapatuloy niya pa, "Actually, I don't know if you ever seen him before without makeup. But long before we even started dating, he's always had dark under eye circles and major hair loss na." Iginiit din niya na hindi lang napapansin ng netizens ang totoong itsura ni Billy dahil sa hair and makeup sa tuwing nakikita ito na madla. "I wish we had photos from 10 years ago to show na he's always had those dark circles and matagal na siyang walang hair," say pa ni Colleen. Ang naging pahayag ni Colleen ay hindi lamang pagtatanggol kay Billy, ngunit ito rin ang naging daan para i-call out ang unrealistic standards ng mga tao sa artista na dapat lagi itong perpekto. Siyempre, people just see the glammed up version of us lang, which isn't really how we look on a daily basis, sabi ni Colleen. Samantala, siniguro naman niya sa madlang people na maayos ang kalagayan ng kalusugan ni Billy at talagang abala lang ito sa kanyang schedule. "Medyo ngarag lang cause we've been both busy and working more than usual while balancing a lot of things. Lalo na si Billy. He's out of town now, overnight lang. But he just came from France for a month. Then he's leaving for the US next week. He'll mostly be in France again for the remainder of the year. Ang daming travels," sabi pa ni Colleen. Ibinahagi ng actress at celebrity mom na si Colleen Garcia ang magkaibang larawan niya sa social media. Ang naturang mga larawan ay nagpapakita ng dalawang magkaibang side niya na hindi madalas makita ng madlang people. Sa unang larawan ay makikitang inaakala ng mga tao na normal niyang itsura kapag nasa bahay. Ngunit ang pangalawa ay ang tunay niyang pisikal na itsura na hindi niya madalas ipakita sa social media. "I look sick. I look pale. I look depressed. My hair is fizzy mess, especially in this insane heat. No, it's not cause of bisyo. It's not cause of unbearable stress or marital problems or depression. It's because I am human. We all are. I break out. I get tired. I am getting older every day," saad ni Colleen. Aniya, anyone can bash, judge, speculate, or we can lessen that and make it safer for people to be unapologetically authentic. Because no one should ever have the feel like they need to put on a mask just to be accepted. Dito ay nasabi ni Colleen ang realidad ukol sa mundong kinabibilangan, ang showbiz at ang double standards ng mga tao sa mga kilalang personalidad. Showbiz is a switch we can turn on until we get to shed the makeup, the hair extensions, and the pretensions and just be. We complain about how everything on social media is so fake and filtered. And then in the same breath, we bash what's real when we feel like it's not pretty enough for us.